All right, ladies, here's the deal. I did the math and I need to sell 400 of these vacuums to buy a new washer and dryer. So I am going to pitch this vacuum to you. First of all, to start, I replaced my Dyson with this. The attachments make it so easy, and it is so lightweight to carry up and down my stairs. And I can put this little head just right on the thing so I can vacuum my couch, my stairs. It's so much easier. I have a German Shepherd, so I know this thing like puts in the work. Also, my Dyson could never get under this cabinet, and this, bam, so easy, gets right under it. You can get under your couch, your chairs, everything with this thing. Also, this holds its charge forever, and I just hang it on the wall, and it's literally so easy. Please help me out with this. If you don't want to buy it, like, comment, post, reshare, repost, do what you got to do. Thank you so much, guys. Love you.